I received this bouncy castle from the manufacturer. Let's take a second and check it out. Okay, so when you open it up, you can see they give you your bouncy castle. You get your pump to blow everything up. They also give you the water tubing, so if you want to use the water slide feature of this. And then you get all kinds of different toys. Lots of fun little toys, little balls that you can inflate, little games that they can play, water guns. They also give you stakes, so you can secure this into the ground. They give you a little hammer so you can secure those stakes into the ground. And then you get a carry bag. You guys, look how cool this is. It is enormous. Literally blows up in no time. All the pieces are there. Installation is so simple. You just turn the pump on and it does the rest. This thing is heavy duty. It is absolutely massive. It is beautiful. My grandkids are going to freak out. They're gonna love it so much. You've got slides on both sides. There are little, like there's a pool, you can fill it as a ball pit or you can use it as a pool. There's, like I said, the tubing, you can turn this into a whole water park. You can use this indoors or outdoors. And I love all these fun accessories that they give you to go with it. There's places for the kids to play basketball. You've got a little dartboard where they give you little balls that have Velcro on them. You can hit the target. They've got ring toss, all kinds of fun things to do on this. They give you multiple little basketballs. There's a bigger one that you can use for the hoop. There's also smaller ones. They give you a little inflator so you can inflate them easily on your own. They give you 4 different rings you can use for the ring toss game, and you get 2 water guns. And like I said, this can be made into a water park. So this tubing turns this little area into a giant swimming pool or sink with shower capabilities. So much fun. It also lets you have this cool water cannon with handles so they can aim exactly where their target is. And then it goes all the way up to the top of this slide, turning it into the most fun water slide you can imagine. So I'm telling you, if you have little ones at your house, do yourself a favor, pick one of these up. It would make such a great gift. So much fun for the little ones. They're gonna have literally endless games they can play. And like I said, you can use it indoors or outdoors, so the fun can last all year long. Okay, you guys, overall thoughts, this has been a huge hit with my grandkids. It is such a fun inflatable, so easy to put together, such incredible quality. So if you're looking for a fun thing to do with your kids, definitely check this out.